Well, Labor Day is traditionally celebrated in Jamaica as a time when we have community mobilization to clean up our communities and to pay some attention, certainly from the central government, to critical parks and monuments and other important civic structures. This year for Jamaica 60, we're focusing on the Mandela Park. The park is named in honor of one of the greatest human beings to have ever lived, certainly in my own opinion, my own personal experience, Nelson Mandela. As it is now, the park is not reflective of the dignity of someone like Nelson Mandela.
Well, in South St. Andrew, we have a number of different projects going on today. Each MP gets an allocation for Labor Day as part of the Constituency Development Fund annually, which is $500,000. So here in South St. Andrew, this is one of our projects. This is a park known as Unity Park in Arnett Gardens on College Smith Drive. It's one of two parks, and the other one has been fixed up over time with the help of corporate Jamaica, but this one needed attention. So we're doing some work on it today to kind of restore it because it was overgrown and it's ready for the children. So as you can see, it's mainly cleaning up operations going on, and work will have to continue after today as well. But this is one of the projects we're doing. There's also a wall being fixed which had collapsed over by the Trenchtown Polytechnic and Trenchtown Primary School, and that work is going on today and involves some voluntary contributions from private citizens in the community as well. So we're very pleased about that. And there's some other projects around the place as well at various basic schools and so on. So, today will be a busy day in the constituency, and we're looking forward to everybody pitching in and getting the true Labor Day spirit flowing in South St. Andrew.